In this video, I'll detail how to install Netflix on iPad. So if you have an iPad, either the second generation or the 11th generation, and you want to download and install Netflix on it, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to install Netflix on iPad Air or iPad Pro, all you just need to do is open the App Store on your iPad, then click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, and then come here and search for Netflix. Then click on the search button. Then once you click on the search button, you should see the Netflix application here. Then go ahead and click on that. And then if you are able to install the Netflix application on your iPad, you should see the required operating system here. Here, this Netflix application requires iOS 16.0 or later. So if you meet all of this requirement, just go ahead and click on Get. Then you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID. After that, you'll be prompted to tap the install button to install the Netflix application on your iPad. Then go ahead and click on install. Then type in your iPad password. Once you key in your iPad password, then the Netflix application will be installed on your iPad. So this is how you can easily install Netflix application on iPad. Found this helpful and informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.